What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are taking a closer look at the different modes on the Dongar PRO adapter and how each one can help you get the most out of your dashcam setup. Let's start with ignition mode. This is the most straightforward mode and probably what most people will use day to day. With ignition mode, your dashcam turns on automatically as soon as you start your car, and it shuts off right when you turn the vehicle off. So basically, it records everything while you're driving. Nothing more, nothing less. It's simple, reliable, and perfect if you're mainly concerned about capturing footage on the road. Next up, we've got timed mode. This mode keeps your dashcam powered on for up to 4 hours after you've parked your car. It's great for those shorter stops, like running errands, grabbing dinner, or going to a movie. You still get that extra layer of protection while you're away from your vehicle without having to worry too much about draining your battery. Think of it as a nice middle ground between convenience and added security. And finally, we have continuous mode. This one is all about maximum protection. Your dashcam will keep running continuously even after your car is turned off, potentially for up to 36 hours depending on how healthy your battery is. Now, don't worry, there's built-in protection here. The adapter will automatically shut things down if it detects your battery voltage getting too low, so you're not left with a dead battery. This mode is perfect if you're parking your car for extended periods and want that constant monitoring, like overnight or in less secure areas. So, those are the 3 modes on the Dongar PRO: ignition, timed, and continuous, each designed for different situations depending on how much coverage you want. Hopefully this breakdown helped clear things up and made it easier for you to decide which mode works best for your setup. Until next time, take care and drive safe with Dongar.